A few moments later.
Welcome and thank you for taking the time for this interview. Would you please introduce yourself in tell us a little about your background? Okay, thank you for inviting me. My name is Aurel. I graduated from high school and took several courses focusing on IT and communication. Although I don't have formal work experience, I volunteered at my school help desk, assisting my friends who had issues with their computers. Thank you, Aurel. That's very interesting. If you interested in applying for a position at Lazada and working is customer support, if always be interested in technology and I enjoy helping people when I saw this job and online report, I thought could be a great opportunity to combine good of both interests. I would like to learn more about technology will assisting users we need help. That's great. Position is the ability to communicate with customers who may be experienced technical issues. In your opinion, what is the most important skill you will use in the store? I believe communicating skills, especially explaining something simple. I already use it helping friends to learn student issues. I learned how to explain the school technical things in easy to understand way. I'm also a quick learner, especially when it comes to technical issues. Good communication skills are very important in this role. Can you tell me about the challenge you face while helping your friend and how handle it? Okay, there was a time when a friend panicked because she lost school assignment after her laptop had issues. I tried to calm her down and guided her step by step to recover the file from an automatic backup on the code drive. That taught me the importance of staying calm and positive when dealing with someone who is stressed. Great experience. Here we follow empathy and composure, and especially when helping customers. How will you pick your ability to handle pressure? I think I handle a query well, especially after that experience in school. I believe that staying calm helps the customer feel heard and feel well, and I try to maintain the attitude even in difficult situations. Thank you, Aurel. We appreciate your enthusiasm and the experience you bring. We will be in the next Wednesday regarding the next week. Thank you very much for the opportunity. I look forward to hearing good news from representatives. Thank you. Yes, you're welcome.
Behind the scene.